Today's topic for class, other than your syllabus, but a compulsion in English language on priority because English is a global language, like most of you have spoken about. It's just not a global language. It is need of the hour. This language is a part and parcel of our daily usage. Whether we speak any regional language, Kannada, other than so many regional languages in our place itself. But in most priority, the one who is illiterate also will use English words. And that is the impact of this book, of this language being spoken about. So with this influence, dear students, language upliftment can only happen, especially in language classes. But if students involve themselves, then it is going to be fruitful for them. So keeping this in the class, as and when the time arises, the group discussions, debates, quizzes will be conducted. Though it is not offline, it is online, but an atmosphere of a classroom has to be brought by both of us. So if your involvement is more, naturally the curiosity develops in the teacher as well as other participants. So all is interested for you. Srinivas, don't color and sketch. Yeah. In this concern, dear students, the topic I had sent you is impact of social networking on us. So before naming the participants, I do have expressed uh, my choice of choosing the students. Individually, I have told you while you were giving your speaking test, including them, they are participating right now in the Zoom meeting. Other than that, others can also be added upon. So it cannot be 11, 12 number, make it very sure. Before starting this, the topic is this. Now, in short, we call it as GD, group discussion. Now, first of all, you people are in a group and you are discussing about a given topic. Now, what is to be considered? There are always rules and regulations. Summing up all, it is called as protocols. Rules and regulation, other name for rules and regulation is called protocol. Now, what is that protocol to be followed by the group individually? First of all, allow the other person to express his or her view. Now, suppose one person is expressing their view. So, what will be our responsibility? Allow that person to complete the statement. In between, we cannot object them. In between, we cannot stop them. That their idea is wrong. First of all, let them complete. This is the first sanctity you have to maintain. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮದು ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ, ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೋಸು ಕಾನ್ಸು ಎರಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಯಾರೋ ತಮ್ಮ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನೀ ಅದರದ್ದು ಕಾನ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೋ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು, ರೈಟ್? So it is not first of all debate, it is discussion. That is it is admissible to discuss both the pros and the con and supportive system and the impact, benefits, disadvantages, advantages, prerequisites, impact, support, help. So many words are there which we can define what is the topic is all about in group discussion. So it involves everything, dear students. It includes praisings also, right? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಲೌ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಶೋ ಯುವರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಸ್. ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರು, ಅವರು ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರ, ದಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ನಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Third, criticize or object the idea, not the person. This is very important. You will find it in most of the protocols. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀ ಹಿಂಗಂತಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ವಿಚಾರ ಹಿಂಗಿರಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೀ ಹಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ನೀ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನೀ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗಂತಿ, ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗಾಗ್ತದೆ. That means it cannot be taken personal. So make it very sure. Remember, this is a session of discussion, not debate. Debate ಒಳಗ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ರನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂನ ತಪ್ಪಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಡಿಬೇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಕದಷ್ಟು ಅದರ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿನೂ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಅಥವಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ನಿಮ್ ವಿಚಾರಧಾರ. ಅವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಬ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಒಬ್ರು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಮ್ದು ಮೈಂಡ್, ಅವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದೇರ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ support system for the development of language as well as the knowledge required for that particular topic. This is the main idea of group discussion. So ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಐಡಿಯಾನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ here students, long sentences na ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್, ಆದಷ್ಟು ಚೊಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಚಲೋ, let us start the discussion. I'm going to name the students. Raise hands who wanted to participate other than the names I had asked for. 47 in. I had taken the names of Shivam, Anmol, Asha, then Kaveri Ukli, Krishna. Krishna, you are going to participate there. Then Sudhanva, you would like to? Yes, you are going to be added in this. You cannot deny my orders, my dear. Sudhanva, are you there? You will be there. Just request your relatives to maintain little silence at this hour. Yeah, unmute yourself, all of you. Now the session starts and dedicated for only you. Sudhanva, Shivam, Anmol, Arfat, you will be joining there, and Asha. Yeah, unmute yourself. Anmol, Asha, Shivam, Arfa.
Yes, ma'am.
You will be, you should be ready now. How to start the group discussion? I will also be joining at the start. You will be continuing.
Yes,
Sudhanva, Krishna. Krishna, are you there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the participants. Based on your attendance, I am giving this right now. Though I had taken others' names, they have not joined in. Yeah. Dear students, let us start. Unmute yourself. Once you say your point, then you can mute yourself. If your side is completely silent, then please keep it open. Ma'am, but I haven't prepared. You did not take my name previous, so ma'am. Yeah, Sudhanva doesn't make difference because I know how is your networking of knowledge. You will be in Sudhanva. Now, first of all, students, let us start before starting and allowing you to involve into this. What is social networking? Social, anything other than personal contact of your neighborhood, contact with the neighboring society, contact with the neighbors, contact into your friends group. This is being social. One, what is network? Network is something, there is a group for proper responses for each other. You want to express something, you want certain suggestions, and certainly if your social network is very strong, that means if your friends group, your neighborhood is all supportive, you can think of discovering so many things. This is a simple definition. But into the fashion of now development of digital impact or digital involvement in all our tasks, social networking is only given or named for Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc., etc. Most commonly used networking system is WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram as well. Now, anything new is always attractive. Anything new in the technology is most attractive right now, dear students. Because technology, to become technologically savvy, ಅಂದ್ರೆ technologically ನಾವು attract ಭಾಳ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಮೊದಲ ಕಾಲದ ಟಿವಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದು, ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದ ಟಿವಿ ಹೆಂಗದಾವ. ಮೊದಲ ಕಾಲದ ರಿಮೋಟ್, ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದ ರಿಮೋಟ್. ಮೊದಲಿನ ಕಾಲದ ರೇಡಿಯೋ, ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದ ಫ್ಯಾಷನೇಬಲ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋ. ಒಂದು ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಒಂಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ತರ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಈಗ. ಅದೇ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ಫಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ಯದ. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯೋನು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ, ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಂದ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು, ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಏನೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Social media, in opposite to this, dear students, social media is only related to one way. It is only giving, not taking. Social media involves television, radio, newspaper, any magazine. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ವೇ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳೋದಿರ್ತದ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ನೀವು ಕೇಳೋದು, ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದು ನಾವು ಕೇಳೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವ್ ಯಾರನ್ನಾರ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ ಆಗಿಂದಾಗ. ಅದೇ ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಒನ್ ವೇ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ನಿಜ, ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಒಳಗ, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ is a major role in all our life, in all our lives actually I should say. Now whole day ಒಳಗ I think ನಾವು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ನಾಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ. isn't it dear students? ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ನಾಗ, ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾ? ಕೈ ಎತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ? ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ನಾಗ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತೀರಿ? ಥಮ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. ನಂದು ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್, ನಿಂದು ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಇದ್ರ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಇದ್ರ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ. ಇದು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ನಾ ಕೈ ಎತ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಆಕಾಶ್ ರಾಠೋಡ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನು? ಓಕೆ, which is better? Through chat you tell me. WhatsApp, Twitter,
Instagram.
huh?
Instagram is better.
Which one?
Instagram.
Instagram is better. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivam, you can express your views, dear. Ultimately, you have to give a decision. Students, now among the participants, let me conclude my talk and it's your class now. And that goes like this.
Yes.
Fine, Sudanma, you just listen and express. See, na use ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪೆ ಸುಧನ್ವಾ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ ಅದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದು. ಲೈಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸಸ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡ, just open up yourself. I want you to be speaking more. So I request all of you, please keep English on, no Hindi or Kannada. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let us take group discussion as it is in the first into our what do you say, our start in the class. So I would like to request all of you to express your views on the impact of social network. Let us take it in the positive sense first 15 minutes, next negative sense, so that you open up yourself completely for only positive things first, then discuss only about positive things and what it is. Next, when I restrict you for negative sense, let us take only negative sense. Will it be fine for you all, as it is a first session? Now ಮೊದಲೇ ಸತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀವಿ, so ಹಾಗಾಗಿ let us take it part and part, so that it will be a support system for your thought process. Are you agreeing or no? Because I don't want to debate. Shivam, you can discuss everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, Sudanma. Appreciated, dear. Nan maatanu uliskondi. But above all, Shivam will be concluding this talk, judging our thoughts. Because that boy has given a different highlight for his speaking skill, which most of you did not chalk out. ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಲೆಕ್ಕಾಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಶಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ದ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಅ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್, that he will be observing each one of you as well. He will be discussing with you. He will give a conclusion for all your discussions. On your mark, get set, go. It's your class. Don't wait. Addressing is important. Hello dear participants ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. Hello my teammates in GD ಅಂತಾನು ಅನ್ಬೇಕು. Because this is a protocol. Start it. I've taken 15 minutes. What are you waiting for? Nee hesar tagobeka nanu. Okay, let Anmol start it.
Hello.
Yeah, little louder, Anmol.
Hello.
Hello, I'm able to listen you.
Yes, ma'am.
Nadia, word.
Social networking, in the sense, in simple sense, if we speak, social networking is nothing but it is a network which allows us to connect with the people.
Yes.
It is a network which allows us to connect socially, we can say.
Yes.
It has many pros and its cons. We cannot particularly say it is beneficial for the humankind or it has just negative impacts, but it has both pros and cons. Especially if we speak about,
you just express impact. What is the basic impact of social networking? Let us take positive sense only in the first half.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Basic, if we see in a positive sense, we can showcase our talent easily.
Okay.
And it creates an open pane for the business people, startups, because they can easily connect with the people in large amount. So it is very good for the business things. And again, if it social networking, which allows us to connect with the people with the different states, different countries as well, so we can easily know their culture. We can know their culture, and we can know what is happening around the world, and all the information is just one click away.
Okay.
Every information is available very easily.
Okay, that is the big benefit out of it.
Yes, ma'am, that is a very big impact, sorry, in a positive way.
Okay.
And then
fine, I'll give you next again. Asha, yes, your point, dear. Asha, may I listen you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Thoughts on impact under prabhava. Hope you remember that idea, what I wanted.
Social media is highly impacted on teens, ma'am.
Impacted word illa p,
Impact on teens. It was made to connect with the friends and family.
Okay.
And nowadays with teachers also in online classes, ma'am.
Okay, you mean now we are on social networking?
Yes, ma'am.
Certainly, yeah.
We know how to use social media, so we will get to know how to social network, how to build a social network.
Social network, okay. Asha, I will give it to Shivam now.
Ma'am, I didn't get what actually social network is.
Asha had sent yesterday, you would have called and asked, should have taken information. Social networking are those applications through which you connect to different people. When we start connecting to different people, we are going to connect personally, professionally. Now, Zoom is a network where we are connecting professionally. Clear, dear?
Okay, ma'am.
Under this circumstance, Facebook is where your address, what you are professionally, where you reside, all these things are uploaded, your information. WhatsApp is something you become very close because there is a chatting option in that. Wherein in Facebook, on Facebook, it is not there. But Instagram to this is more beneficial and depends because I am not using I do have account, but I'm not using Insta because my friends are not on Insta. So I'm not going to take it. So this is what social networking. Now, what is the impact going on session? Now, actually you are using WhatsApp. In what way it is impacting you? Adu important. Okay, just wait for a while. Let others speak. You will understand. Shivam.
Okay, ma'am, welcome.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Ma'am, one more positive impact is what news channel will not cover, we can help. It will social network will help in the social network will help us to cover that.
Okay. Okay. Jay is added into the group, dear students. Yeah. That is the nature of Jay. Yeah. Sudhanma, you want to say? Shivam, Sudhanma, Arfat, Krishna. Yes. 4 are remaining.
Yes, ma'am.
You can keep your video on if all things around is okay to be shown. So that I can see you.
Ma'am, it's one of the good income source.
Oh, yeah. Income source. Mr. Businessman.
And it helps in immediate news, ma'am. As a news channel takes for 1 hour late, ma'am, for updating the news, and newspaper takes a day. Social media will grant you within a minute the next news.
Naturally, if Asha is into problem something and she is not able to connect to people, she will just put the status on WhatsApp. I am in need of help. Hey, Asha, help beku anta pata pata odogtivella no Asha bekadaru. This is what social networking is, Asha. Andra ninnan connect madaka namag bekadaru connect madkolaka social networking is going to help. See, I am going to clarify in Kannada for some way, but yes, not in your case. You have to fix it in English. Sudhanma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's group discussion. Your option is over now. You have to just use your own team.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, social networking is such a great platform for all of us where we can all share our opinion.
Okay.
And social networking is such a platform where we can show up our businesses to our clients. But certainly, one more small drawback is that every post is not true post on that.
So then we shall discuss drawbacks in the second session. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Only positive things. Yenen benefit ಆಗ್ತದ social networking sites ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಶಾಲವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ Join into the
We can
discussion.
connect
Now it's
each
your
and every
open
people
platform.
by that.
Now Shivam can discuss with Sudanma. Sudan can add his ideas in Anmol Khatri's. Anmol's can be added with Asha. Now it's your platform. You just go on talking on this topic. You can directly ask the person, condemn the person, but not object the person's. Only person's idea can be approached. Please open up yourself so that it is heard like discussion. Open platform for you.
Ma'am, social media has influencers, ma'am.
Yeah.
Which, if it is used for the good purpose, it's better, ma'am. For example, if an influencer is doing for a education purpose, it motivates people to get better educated, ma'am. It helps people to know about more information about a particular stream, as he will get the updates of that stream, as he will get the update from a good person, ma'am. Most of the people will not knowing the different career options. But social media is the one platform where it helps, ma'am.
Yes, information gathering is much easier than any other way. Chalo, Anmol, you want to highlight certain things into your friends? Kaveri,
Yes.
come into the bracket now. Kaveri Ukli. I had taken your name particularly. Join in. Don't wait for other person to express. They are all your classmates. You are all sitting together and talking. Put this imagination and throw your highlight.
I mean, social networking, we can all customize our things. I mean, if we want to show something to them, we can send pictures, videos, and also some multimedia networks, ma'am, like that.
Yes, 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 yes.
I mean that not only text, we can send multimedia
my
also.
Identity here. You just correlate your ideas with each other. Forget me into this discussion. I want to become just a listener. Please discuss, dear students. Okay. You have started this meeting and you are going to conclude it. Please, aapka discussion on rakho. I don't want to be included. Don't address me, madam, madam. You can take your classmate's name and do it. I want to be little away. I want to listen you so that others are more encouraged with your discussion, dear students. You have a responsibility. Please go ahead. It's your class.
There are many people.
Friends, you address like friends, then you will become little close. Dear friends, now my idea is like this. Hello, Kaukli.
Like all in social media network, privacy is almost there in all the platforms.
Respond for him.
Social networking is one of the best advertisement method to friends.
It also increases the connectivity among other countries' people.
And it's a great opportunity for a business to reach a large members or large people in a social networking.
Also, it makes world seem smaller, ma'am.
World seems very smaller. ये तो चाहिए मुझे, because this is a positive impact. There is negative impact. Now both the things you have to talk now, negative as well as positive. When your participant is talking something, you please put your highlights into their discussion. ಅವ್ರೇನನ್ನ ಕತ್ತರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ದು ವಿಚಾರನ್ನ ಮುಂದಿಡ್ರಿ. Do it, dear.
Ma'am, as my friend Anmol said, it is a small word, so good, we can directly connect with the audience.
Very good, Kaveri. This I wanted. Go ahead. Anmol, uska answer
I am Asha, ma'am.
Sorry, Asha.
Yes, ma'am. She is.
अरे ऐसे चुप रहोगे तो मजा नहीं आएगा. डिबेट रखना पड़ेगा क्या मुझे?
Yes, ma'am.
Debate nahi, discussion.
As all the social medias are secured, but there are some chances of leakage in the data.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not completely
I'm not there
safe.
now. Only Sudanma for you. Only
and there are more chances of scams. scams.
And
There are
by
more
getting
chances of
scam
scams.
and by getting scam of their account or hacking of their account, it may leads to depression of account holder, ma'am.
Ma'am, if we
Yeah.
have proper knowledge, it can be.
मैडम का नाम लेना बंद करो, अपने क्लासमेट का नाम लेके शुरू करो ताकि कनेक्शन हो. यहाँ पे सोशल नेटवर्किंग नहीं हो रहा है.
There are more chances of scams and frauds.
Yeah,
on social
it was
media.
like that. अनमोल,
As someone said,
हमेशा डिस्कशन के टाइम पे, सॉरी जय, आई एम ऑब्जेक्टिंग यू इन बिटवीन, डिस्कशन के टाइम पे हाँ आशा ठीक बात है, पर ये भी हो सकता है. डिबेट नहीं है, ये
Yeah.
डिस्कशन है माय डियर. वो नाम लेके करो तो